How to add link to TikTok bio. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile as shown. Here, you can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Go over to Links. Select the account you want to link to TikTok, for example, YouTube. Tap on Continue. You have now successfully linked your YouTube account to TikTok. Now go back to your profile. Here, you can see the YouTube link under the bio section. Tap on the link to visit the page. Following these steps, you can easily add link to TikTok bio. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.